So I kind of screwed up and forgot my card for my other camera to record video with, so I'm having to use my phone for this one. But I want to show you this really cool house. And this actually isn't a foreclosure, but this property is a corporate owned property. And this company that owns this house, what they do is they'll buy your house, then they'll do a lease back to you for a certain amount of period. I think normally it's 12 to 24 months. And as long as you make your payments on time and keep the house up and all that kind of good stuff, they'll give you some of the equity when the deal closes, which is kind of cool. I don't really know enough about it, but this house on Zillow says it's estimated at $750,000, which I do not agree with. But it also has it at a 5-bedroom, 4-bath, and I bought this house twice already, and I'm not seeing the 5th bedroom. So this is bedroom 1. Here's your first guest bathroom. Really nice tile work. All these bathrooms are really nice looking. But you're gonna notice, if you haven't already, there's no baseboards in this house, I think, at all. At least not what I'm seeing so far. Okay, so here's bedroom 2. Same thing, no baseboards, no closet stuff whatsoever either, which is kind of crazy. All right, so that's 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. Here's your living room area. This house is over 2,700 square feet of living space. Here's another bedroom. These bamboo floors are in really good condition though. I don't see any issues with them at all, except they're dirty. But so far, no closet doors, no closet organizers, shelves, no baseboards. Okay, so this is the kitchen. I'll check it out real quick. You've got a big pantry, but no organizer, no shelving, no stove, no refrigerator. Whoa, my phone's acting up on me here. But I really like these butcher block countertops. They look really nice. But they painted some of the cabinets green, and it looks like they didn't paint these yet. There's no handles or doorknobs or kitchen doorknobs or anything on them. Here's your utility room. This house was built in 2023, so it's pretty new. Okay, so there's a little small hole in the wall there. This is another bonus room. There's no closet in this room. So you can decide if you want to call it a bedroom or not. It could be, but there's no closet. I think this is a really nice space. Like I said, it's in really good shape, but once again, there's no baseboards anywhere. I mean, the walls are even in good enough condition that you don't even have to paint if you don't want to. So this house is about 1 block north of Highway 98. It's east of the Navarre Beach Bridge. Here's another guest bathroom. No mirror, but awesome tile job, and that looks really nice. I don't know why they didn't put a dual shower in there, but really nice. Here's another bedroom. I guess this would be the master. It's not all that big, but yeah, here's your, I guess this is the master bath. Really nice floor tile though, a nice tub. No doors, no baseboards, no organizers, but good sized closet. Another thing I really like about this house are the ceilings. It's got the very tall ceilings. I don't even know what they are, but really cool. Okay, so that's all of the house. Let's go check out the back. Oh man, yeah. Green pool. There's a Christmas tree. I can see it. And you got a little bit of chipping paint here on the back, but I mean, you need to do some of these stairs and clean all this up back here, but not bad. And this is almost a full half acre. I think it's 0.4849. So it's almost a full half acre lot. So good size lot. I'm not even walking there, but you got there's a storage unit right there. You've got this building, all your pool equipment. Property's really overgrown though. It's gonna take some landscaping for damn sure. Okay. Not bad. You could put a little window unit there and yeah, I mean, a little bonus area. But here's where all the work's gonna come in play. So you gotta fix the kitchen, get appliances, install new baseboards, do some painting, and do a lot of landscaping. That's what this house really needs. All right, let's go take a peek outside real quick and see if I can show you what the neighborhood looks like. Okay, that's it for this tour. I have no idea what they're gonna price this property at, but I'm really curious to see what they do with it. If they're gonna put any money into it, which, I mean, doing the pool and landscaping would probably be one of the bigger things, but here's the street. Here's a mobile home on the corner, but it does have solar panels. Very well kept. You can barely see it, but that's Highway 98 right there. Don't really hear much traffic at all, but cool house, something different you don't see every day. As always, I appreciate it. Thanks. Have a great day.